Today, I'd like to continue our series of Vulnhub. And the box would be the Loly, as you can download from this page. I also will put the link into the description section so that you can download the image. And to save the time, I have already imported the image into the VMware workstation. Also, maybe you can import the image into the VirtualBox. But if you have trouble in importing the image, please leave the question in the comment section. And without further ado, let's get started. And I have already done the IP address identification. As you can see, the IP address is 156, and also I have already done or finished the Nmap scanning, the comprehensive scanning. And from the Nmap scanning result, we can know just there is only one port, open ports, which is 80, which runs HTTP service. Of course, naturally, the next thing we need to launch our browser or Firefox, and let's visit. Okay, just default Nginx. Sorry, I cannot pronounce it properly, but I think you get the point. But also we can check the code for this one, but just default information, nothing useful for us. So we can do the directory enumeration with GoBuster, specify the IP address, and specify the word list. Also, I'd like to specify the extension. Okay, immediately we got the one directory, and we can go to this directory, WordPress. We can put the WordPress. And now the browser is loading some sort of pages. And as you can see from the status, the browser is trying to resolve this host name, Loly LC. So we need to edit or put this host name into our hosts file. And let's go open up another new tab and go to our working directory, and let's and we can delete the unused one. And the host name is Loly. We can confirm or check this file. Yeah. The browser is still loading or rendering the page. Maybe we can refresh. Yeah, now because we have already modified the hosts file, and the page of the target is prompted to us. And as you can see, maybe this one is, yeah, another WordPress site. So of course this is the CMS is WordPress. And what we need to do now, we can scan sorry, I typed the wrong IP address, and specify parameter E, try to identify username and vulnerable plugin. sorry, or maybe scan URL. WordPress. I think it's good to go. And WordPress, yeah, very quickly, the username has been identified as Loly, and now we try to crack the password for this user, and we can specify the username as Loly, and with the list is Loly. Let's go. And now the WordPress scan will try to brute force. Yeah, very quick. The result has been got, and this is the password. And now we can copy this password and log in. WordPress administrator portal. Now we can put the username as Loly and paste the password of Loly and log in. And remind me later. And because we are so certain that Loly is administrator for this WordPress site, and now next I think we may upload the shell PHP code into the backend, WordPress backend, and then try to get the reverse shell from the target. Okay, so now we have already logged in as Loly, and we can make some very quick research. The Loly is only user for the WordPress administrator or users, and also we have some plugin, but this tool is very normal one and doesn't be activated. But there is another one, AD rotate, and we can go to this plugin. Yeah, there's some functions with this add rotate module, and we need to look for the point or the location where we can upload our shell PHP code. Okay, general information, we cannot upload anything. And also this one, no. Manage alerts, no. Manage groups, manage schedules, yeah, we cannot make upload. And also, yes, here you can upload a new file, and I think we can upload our shell PHP code by this function, but we need to first prepare the shell. Maybe we can rename to be simpler, and let's make some more modifications in this file. We change it to our Kali Linux, but I need to confirm our IP address of Kali Linux. Yes, 143, and I'd like to change the port number. It's 555. Okay, and write and quit. And now we can try if we can upload this file, shell.php. Upload, but unexpected error. Yeah, accepted files, just accept image, but also can accept zip. So we can zip the file. Right? And then we can upload this file. and upload. Yeah, no error. So, but where is our uploaded file? And we can go to the settings. As you can see, the folder name is banners. So maybe we can access our shell.php in this directory. But before we access this file, we can set up the listener. And now we can WordPress content and the banners. Okay, no error. Yeah, now we got the reverse shell from the target, and we can make this shell interactive. We can check the version. Yeah, Python 3, and import PTY module. Yeah, now we got the normal shell, and we can go to the home directory, just one user. Nothing useful, and we can go to the web directory, go to the HTML, and we can go to the WordPress directory. And we got the WordPress configure PHP. This is the configuration, and as you know, this file always include the database collection details like username and password. So as you can see, username is WordPress, and the password is Loly. Is a beautiful Go. So maybe this password also can be used used by the Loly user. We can switch and paste the password. Yeah, now we have already switched our shell to the Loly, but maybe we can do some very basic local immersion, because the aim is to get the root shell, but the Loly may not run sudo. Okay, and maybe we can find the file with SUID bit. But nothing found. We cannot utilize the SUID to escalate our privilege. So I think the next thing we can do is to upgrade the shell to the interpreter. Okay, let's go open up another new tab. Loly. And the first thing we need to generate the payload. Okay, this one should be okay. And I think it's good. Maybe I need to make a check. The local host. Yeah, it's right. This is our IP address of Kali Linux. And also the port number. Of course, this should be different number from the original shell. And let's hit enter. And now we need to upload this file or payload into the target. But we can head over to our target shell, go to the temporary directory. Okay. And we can set up the HTTP server. And now we can download. The name is escalate ELF. No problem. Make this file executable. But before we run this file, we need to launch our Metasploit. Okay. And after it's started up, and then we can configure the handler. Oh, sorry. Multi-handler. And we need to set a payload. This payload should be same as this one. Yeah, this one we can copy and paste into here. And let's show options and set localhost. And the local port should be the same as this one. Yeah, this one, 6666. Okay. And let's run. Now the Metasploit has already started reverse handler, TCP handler, and then we can come back to our target shell and we can run this. Yeah, no problem, no error. Now we got the Metasploit session, and we can background this session, and we can search the suggester, and we can use the local exploit suggester. Can show options. We just the only thing or the only item we need to specify is the session number. Of course, there is just only one a session until now, and we can run. And this suggester module will collect local exploits for the target, and then we'll try to match the exploits database, and from this one, and we'll identify the modules which we can exploit to escalate our privilege. So wait a moment. Almost done. Yeah, running check method for the 52 exploits. Yeah, we got the first exploit module. Yeah, this one and this one. So normally the first one is the best one. And we can copy this module name and let's use. Okay, show options. And we need to configure localhost as our Kali Linux, and we need to configure another different local port as like 888. And also we need to set session number as 1. And let's run. Yeah, the target appears to be vulnerable. Sandy stage. Yeah, we got the second Metasploit session, and we can share. Yeah, now we are logging as root user, and we can go to the root directory. Yeah, we got the root flag. Yeah, that's all. We have already successfully finished this box of the Loly. And although the difficulty level for this box from the description of the Vulnhub is easy, but in my personal view, it's not as easy as that. Sounds that. It's a bit difficult according to my understanding. Anyway, we have already completed this box. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do like the video and get the value any sort of value from this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.